Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone involved in the world of cryptocurrency: crypto scams and how to protect yourself from them. With the rise of digital currencies, scams have become more sophisticated, and we want to make sure you stay safe while navigating this exciting space. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what crypto scams are. These scams can take many forms, from phishing attacks to Ponzi schemes. One of the most common scams is the fake investment opportunity. You might see ads promising guaranteed returns on your investment. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always remember, if someone is promising you the moon, it's time to do some digging. Now, let's break down some of the most prevalent types of crypto scams you should be aware of. 1. Phishing scams. These often come in the form of emails or messages that look legitimate, but are designed to steal your private keys or login information. Always double-check the sender's email address. 2. Pump and dump schemes. This is where a group of people artificially inflate the price of a low-value coin, then sell off their holdings, leaving others with worthless assets. 3. Fake exchanges. Some scammers create fake cryptocurrency exchanges to lure you in. Always use reputable platforms and double-check their security measures. 4. Rug pulls. This is when developers abandon a project after attracting investors, leaving them with nothing. Always research the team behind a project before investing. 2FA is a game changer. It typically involves receiving a code on your phone or using an authentication app. Always enable this feature wherever possible. Keep your software updated. Whether it's your wallet, exchange app, or device, keeping your software updated ensures you have the latest security patches. Cybercriminals often exploit outdated software, so don't skip those updates. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. Avoid accessing your crypto accounts over public Wi-Fi networks. If you must, use a virtual private network (VPN) to encrypt your connection. This adds an extra layer of security against potential hackers. Research before you invest. Always do your homework. Look into the project's white paper, team, and community feedback. If you can't find credible information, it's a red flag. Use hardware wallets. For long-term storage of your cryptocurrencies, consider using a hardware wallet. These devices store your private keys offline, making them much less vulnerable to hacks compared to online wallets. Now, let's talk about some red flags to watch out for. 1. Unrealistic promises. If an investment opportunity guarantees high returns with little risk, steer clear. 2. Pressure tactics. Scammers often create a sense of urgency, pushing you to invest quickly. Take your time and don't rush into decisions. 3. Lack of transparency. If you can't find clear information about a project or its team, that's a major warning sign. Legitimate projects are usually open about their operations. In conclusion, while the world of cryptocurrency is full of opportunities, it's also rife with scams. By staying informed and following these security tips, you can protect your investments and enjoy the benefits of this exciting digital frontier. Remember, knowledge is your best defense. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out and lets us know you want to see more. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below. What was your favorite part of the video? Or do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future? Your feedback is super important to us, and we want to create content that you love. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got some exciting content lined up that you won't want to miss. Remember, your journey and insert relevant topic, e.g., cryptocurrency, fitness, cooking, is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks again for being part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring.